In this video, I'm going to show you how you clean out a dirty upholstery cleaner. In case you're not aware, an upholstery cleaner is it's very similar to a carpet shampooer. However, it is all done by using a handheld cleaning device instead of bristles that spin and it sucks it up like a traditional vacuum cleaner. This is very helpful for whenever there's accidents on couches or small spots on the carpet that you don't want to have to use a big device for. It's kind of a yucky job to have to do this, but somebody's got to get it done. So I'll show you the first step and how you do it. The way these operate is there is a cleaning solution tank, and it uses that cleaning solution, pushes it through the hose, and then sprays it when you depress the trigger. And then it has suction, and it sucks the moisture and the waste that you're cleaning up, brings it through the hose and into your recovery tank. The recovery tank over here is the first step to empty. So you click the button on the top to remove it, and now you have this tank of waste that you need to pour out somewhere. The way you open up the tank is you lift this switch here, and it hinges off of that point. I'm gonna go ahead and spare you for having to see me empty it out. All right, I opened it up, poured the waste out. Next, I have my water hose. This is running hot water right now. I have a funny setup where I'm running it off of an adapter on the shower so that I could get hot water through the hose. And I'm gonna spray this clean with some hot water. You could do this in a kitchen sink or bathtub also. Hard part is trying not to get sprayed in the face. So I just fill this up a couple times. It doesn't have to be perfect, but just enough to get the nastiness out. So not perfect, but it is pretty clean compared to where it was. And then in order to put this back on, you just hinge it and clip it. And then I'll just give it a good shake. There's one more thing you should do. There is a lint trap right here, so you should clean that out. So I'm gonna go get some toilet paper and pinch it out real quick. Okay, got that nice and clean. I'm gonna go ahead and put my recovery tank back on, click it shut, and then I need to fill this up with more cleaning solution so that we can start using it again. And that is how you clean your upholstery cleaner. Thank you for watching. Hope that was helpful for you.